In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install Stable Diffusion locally onto your machine, and the end product should look like this. So by the end of this tutorial, you should have Stable Diffusion up and running, and it should be similar to mine. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and download Git. Now Git will allow you to pull the repository of Stable Diffusion into the folder to help you set it up. So after you have installed Git, go ahead and download and install Python 3.10.11, which is the version you want to use, because this is the version that supports Torch. Currently you want to use 3.10.11 for the Torch. After you have installed Python, go ahead and download the 4x-ultra sharp, which I'll leave a link down below in the description, so this way you can have ultra sharp images in Stable Diffusion. So go ahead and download this file here just by clicking on it. And after you have done that, go ahead and open up Windows key and E and create a folder inside of wherever you want Stable Diffusion to be. Go ahead, I'm going to create a folder called Stable AI for simplicity, Stable-AI. And inside of this folder, go up here and type in cmd after you have installed Git. Now type in git clone and go back to your web browser and copy the repository URL. Go back into command prompt and simply like so, and it will clone the repository into the folder, so this way you will be able to set up Stable Diffusion. Now as you see, Stable Diffusion WebUI is right here. Now inside of this folder, we want to go ahead and edit the WebUI user folder script and edit it. Now you want to download GFP Gone, which is for face restoration, and you want to download the v1.4 model, and you want to just simply put it into the directory where the WebUI batch script is, because it will need it to install and set it up later when you run the WebUI after you set it up. So while the restoration is downloading, go ahead and simply put the path file into the Stable Diffusion directory like so, and the model file, go into model Stable Diffusion and drop it into here like so. Now while that's doing that, let's go ahead and set up Tomes D, which will allow for faster Xformer generation, and it is great stuff. So now I'll show you guys how to install this. It's very simple and straightforward, extremely easy to do. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So what you want to do is go into Stable Diffusion, go and run the WebUI user batch script like so. It'll create a event in the directory of Stable AI. Now this will take around 20 minutes or so, depending on how fast your system is, because it downloads a lot of files. As you see, it's using cache download PyTorch. Now this, it recommends using version 3 point whatever, but I found that version has a lot of issues and it doesn't work very well. This is the most stable version that I found that worked without any. So just use Python 3.10.11 as you see up here. That's the version that it's using. So I'm going to go ahead and let this download and install everything. We are now going to set up Tomes D. It's very simple and easy to do. Once the venv folder is created, go inside of the venv folder like so. And go into the scripts folder. And now right click shift and hold right click, do git bash here instead. And then do dash.activate like so. Now what you want to do is go ahead and copy git clone, paste it into the client, press enter. Now do cd tomes d like so. Now do python setup.py and paste that into the client. Press enter. And that is how you set up Tomes D. Now, once it opens up and finishes installing, it will automatically launch into Stable UI. And now this is the final product. Now I'm going to do some little tidbits and show you guys how to actually set it up. So let's go ahead and do that. And now I will show you how to install the ultimate upscale for the best and upscaling abilities for your images. Now simply go to this URL here for automatic 1111, copy it and paste it into the install from URL. Click on install. And after you have installed it, go ahead and click on apply and restart UI. and you should see it under extensions right here, like so. And that is how you set up Stable Diffusion. If this tutorial has helped you guys in any significant way, please let me know down below, and please subscribe to my channel for future tutorials, and I'll see you guys